Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava. Today we are going to do the questions of chapter motion of class 9. So we are proceeding with the questions. A car is accelerated from 5 meters per second to 7 meters per second in 5 seconds. Find the distance move and acceleration. So here the initial velocity is 5 meters per second. V is 7 meters per second. Final velocity. Time is 5 seconds. So we are applying the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. So substituting the values. 7 is equal to 5 plus a acceleration into time. So so it will be T is equal to, so the time is 5 seconds, so the acceleration is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 5, so it is 2 upon 5, so it is coming out to be 0.4 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Now we have to find the distance moved. So v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So here the initial velocity is 7 square minus the initial velocity, that is 5 square, is equal to 2 into acceleration is 0.4 into distance moved, that is s. So 49 minus 25, so it is coming out to be 24. So 24 upon point 8. So it is coming out to be 30 meter is the distance that is moved during the journey. So we are going to understand this question once more. A car is accelerated from 5 meter per second to 7 meter per second in 5 seconds. Find the distance moved and the acceleration. U is the initial velocity, that is 5 meter per second. V is the final velocity, that is 7 meter per second. Time is 5 seconds. So applying the first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. So 7 is equal to 5 plus A into T. So A acceleration we have to find is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 5. So it is coming out to be 2 upon 5. So it is coming out to be 0.4 meter per second square. So now we have also to find the distance that is being traveled by the car. So we are applying the third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So it is 7 square minus 5 square is equal to 2 into 0.4 into distance. So we have to find the distance, that is coming out to be 24 upon 0.8. So it is 30 meters. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this question. So we are proceeding to the next question. A ball is thrown upward. A ball is thrown upward with a velocity of 5 meters per second. When the gravity is 10 meters per second square, find the maximum height that is attained by the ball. Also find the distance, also find the time to reach it. So distance, we have to find the distance. The initial velocity is 5 meters per second according to the question. So as it reaches to the maximum height, at the highest point the final velocity will be 0, so v is equal to 0. Gravity, that is 10 meters per second square, and we can, and the acceleration, this is the acceleration, we have to find the time. So applying the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So substituting the values, so this 0 is equal to 5 minus, this is the acceleration in the upward direction. So now this is the gravity, so it is 10 into t, t is the time, so it is coming out to be 5 upon 10, so it is 1 by 2, so it is 0.5, so 0.5 seconds. So the body is going to reach, the ball is going to reach to the highest point in 5.5 seconds. We have to find the maximum height. So v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. So here the final velocity is 0. So it is 0 square is equal to, initial velocity is 5. So 5 is square plus 2 into gravity, that is 10, into distance moved, that is in, that we have to find. So it is coming out to be 25 on 20. So it is coming out to be 1.25 meters. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this question. So we are going to understand this question once more. A ball is thrown upward with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second and it reaches the maximum height. We have to find the maximum height. Also we have to find the time in which it reaches to the maximum height. So here, according to the question, the initial velocity is 5 meters per second. V is the final velocity, that is 0, because the body attains the maximum height. At the maximum height, the final velocity is 0. So we have to find the time. The gravity is 10 meters per second square. So we are applying the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus gt. So the final velocity is 0 is equal to 5 minus 10 into t. So t is the time, that is 5 upon 10, that is half, is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 seconds. Now we have to find the distance that is moved. V square is equal to u square plus 2gs. So it is 0 square is equal to 5 square minus 2 into 10 into s. So it is 25 upon 20 is equal to s. So it is coming out to be 1.25 meters. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this question. So now we are proceeding to the next question. A 100-meter tower is there. The tower has a height of 100 meters. A ball is thrown. A boy throws a ball. And we have to find the time in which it reaches to the ground. And the ball is being dropped. So the initial velocity is 0. We have also to find the final velocity, that is v, and the distance, that is 100, and the gravity is 10 meters per second square. We have to find the final velocity. Also we have to find its time in which it reaches to the ground. So here we are applying the first equation of motion. uh, so it is v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. So it is v square final velocity, initial velocity, since it is being dropped from the tower, so it is 0 square plus 2 into 10 into s, that is the distance, that is 100. So v is coming out to be root of 2000, so it is coming out to be 100 into 4 into 5, so it is coming out to be 200 root 5, 200 root 5 meter per second. So this is our answer for the final velocity. Also we have to find the distance, we have to find the time. So v square, v is equal to u plus gt. So here the final velocity, that is 200 root 5, is equal to 0 plus 10 into t. So t is coming out to be 0, 0 gets cancelled, so it is 20 root 5 seconds. So this is our answer. I think you all might have understood this question. So we are going to understand this question once more. There is a tower whose height is 100 meters. A ball is being thrown by a boy from the top of the tower, and it is not thrown, it is dropped from the tower. So the initial velocity is 0, so u is equal to 0. We have to find its final velocity, that is v. Gravity, that is 10 meter per second square. Distance, that is 100. So we are applying the third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2gs. So v square is equal to 0 square plus 2 into 10 into 100. So it is 2000, root of 2000. So it is coming out to be 200 root 5 meter per second. So this is our final velocity. Also we have to find the distance that is being, also we have to find the time that is being taken by the ball to reach the ground. So that is, we are applying the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus gt. So that is 200 root 5 is equal to 0 plus 10 into t. So it is coming out to be 20 root 5 seconds. So this is our time taken by the ball to reach the ground. So I think you all might have understood this question. So this is based on the equation of motions, and so I think you all might have understood the topic. So please watch this video till the end, subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.